I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select GetGist. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit GetGist API console. Now go to Setting. Then click on API key under the setting. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose user type. Now map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GetGist. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up with data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the GetGist. Here is the data that came into GetGist through the integration. Thanks for watching.